Conditioning treatment for all hair textures and types, for dry, brittle, stressed and damaged hair, breakage, tangles, frizz, elasticity restoration, hair loss prevention and hair growth. Nourishes and replenishes the scalp's natural oils and strengthens, moisturizes, and structures the roots and the hair follicles to make your hair thicker, fuller, shinier and more manageable. Black Jamaican Castor Oil is rich in vitamin E and omega-6-9 fatty acids that can improve blood circulation to the scalp, which helps nutrients reach your hair and encourages hair growth. Formulated with Argan Oil, which is rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamin E that also help to increase the hair's elasticity and consistently restore shine to dull, lifeless hair. This conditioning treatment is paraben, silicone, sulfate, and cruelty-free, made in the USA and safe for the entire family. Moisturize and hydrate hair. OK Black Jamaican Castor Oil Hair Care helps fight breakage and restores strength and elasticity into the hair strands. Helps promote hair growth and retain length for longer, stronger hair. Stimulate growth. Castor oil is known to increase circulation and stimulate hair follicles, which increases growth rate. Castor oil nourishes the scalp, relieves dandruff, creating an environment that makes hair fuller, healthier, and stronger. Repair damage. OK Black Jamaican Castor Oil Hair Care helps repair damage, eliminates dry hair and treats frizz. Replenishes vitamins into the hair strands. Gives hair smoothness, shine, gloss, and manageability. Black Jamaican Castor Oil Hair Care. Using our complete OK Black Jamaican Castor Oil Hair Care collection consisting of shampoo, conditioner and leave-in will help stimulate hair follicle growth, replenish essential vitamins and nutrients into the hair strands, for thicker, fuller, longer, healthier, stronger hair. Top reviews from the United States. Great package. I was blown away with packaging, looks fancy. Smells great. Used it once so far and it's great.